In this video, I'll show you how to set up a recurring member subscription in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, you want to click on Content and Memberships. Now, on the Content and Membership section, you want to head over to the top and right corner. And in here, you will find a Create button. Click on it. And from here, you want to select the fourth option, which is a member site. Now, a pop up will show, and from here, you'll be asked to add your member site name. So, this title will be the company name as well as the members. Now, at the bottom and the right corner, click on Continue. And from here, there are two options in which you can choose from. It is very customizable later on, so it doesn't matter what it is that you choose. I do suggest that you choose the one that is closest to your website so you won't have to do a lot of customizations later on. So I will choose this template, and then what you want to do is just simply click on the template. And once you do that, as you can see here on the left hand side, we will have a new option, which is for member site. Now, in order for you to start editing your member site, simply head over to member sites and click on the company name. Now, that will take you to the page. And from here, you want to add your pricing plans. So simply head over to selling tools and at the bottom, click on pricing plans. Now, once you create a member site, Squarespace will automatically make a pricing plan for you. In order for you to create a new pricing plan, head over to the top and right corner and click on Create New. And from here, you can add the name, the description, as well as the benefits that are included for the subscription. If you do want to add a benefit, then just simply head over to the bottom and click on Add a Benefit. And on the right hand side, if you want to delete a benefit, then you can just simply click on the X. Now, on the left hand side of each and every benefit, you will have six dots. Simply hold and drag in order for you to change the order. Now, on the pricing, this is where you can add a fixed amount, or what I do suggest you do is a subscription. Now, click on subscription, and from here, this is where you can add a subscription plan. On the price, you can set it to be however you want it to be. And on the right hand side, the repeats depend on the month. So if you click on the drop down for month, in here you can set it to be a week, a month, or a year. Let's say you want to do a week first and it will cost about $1 and you can repeat this once a week. If you want to add another option, head over to the bottom and click on other option. We can now do once a month. So that will be $4 and you can only add two options, either every week or every month. Or what you could also do is change the first one to a month and the other to a year. Now, at the bottom of the subscription, you have here an automate tax collection. You can add product specific tax codes that can help you collect the right amount of tax for this pricing plan when they check out. If you scroll down in here, we have included products. So you can add more products other than the membership. So head over to the bottom and click on Add Digital Product. And from here, you can add a new blog or a video. Now, on the sign up limits, this is also optional. You can limit the dates that sign up is available. So head over to the right corner and toggle this on. And in here, you can add a start date as well as an end date. And once you're done with your pricing plan or your subscription, head over to the top and right corner and click on Create. And once you do that, you will automatically see your subscription. What you can also do is remove the other subscriptions. And to do that, head over to the right hand side and click on X to remove. Now you want to head over to the left hand side again and click on Paywall. And from here, you can edit how your paywall looks like. Now, on the left hand side, you can change the headline, the description, as well as the pricing plans. So on the VIP member, I have 20, and on the gold subscription, I have every week, which is what we did earlier. And in here, if you have two options, you can add weekly or monthly, depending on how you want it to be. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.